If you want peace, you have to turn off the noise. There's a lot of noise. Right now, I hear the wind. It's it's noisy. Normally, you don't hear the wind, but today I can. The weather outside is, some would say, wild. First word came in my mind is vicious, but that just can't be. It's just loud. And to some, it may worry them, may give you the feeling of anxiousness and anxiety, as if there's a storm is near. But inside, my home is calm and peaceful. There isn't any noise other than the noise outside my window. And that's the challenge that we have in a point where the political climate is very noisy, it's very windy, rumors of war. Why the United States is behaving as if there is a crisis when Russia attacked specific military targets in Ukraine. And I think a simple answer would be is that these are our assets. We care because it is our assets that are being destroyed. Our interest, assets and interest. These things investors protect. Now, culturally, we can imagine that the Ukrainians, at least those that are at the border, are closely related and intertwined with the Russian people. Cousins, brothers. See, what we are not trained to do is look beyond the eye, and that eye is the TV screen. Eyewitness news. We don't research. We don't even search. But we have to research. Because obviously, commercial media is completely designed to manipulate public opinion, to control public opinion. It's research in psychology and science, how human beings respond, so that the messaging is most effective. Step one is creating peace within you by not allowing all the noise outside to worry you. Now, there's people who advocate for the noise, advocate for the discord. When you open the doors on a windy day, the wind barged through your doors. It has no hands, has no feet. But its presence is felt throughout the home. But if you keep the doors closed, the windows sealed, pressure is resisted, the peace is maintained within. Your body is your temple, you know that. And ultimately, the temple must be protected. So the moral of this story, the moral of this message is in the time of this chaos, I'm trying to tell you is we're going from one thing to the next to keep the people in a state of high anxiety, high frequency. I mean, high vibration, like red on red, on the frequency of stress. And this is what breaks down the immune systems. This is what causes the symptoms that they're classifying. But it's ultimately in the mind. It's a war on the minds of the majority. They don't need everybody, they just need a third.